Started, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so you know when I upload new videos, because we do sketches, we do tutorials, and I'm going to do some more content on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified, and let's keep growing. Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about what I did and what you can do to start drawing the sands, and probably talk about some movies, some other things I'm doing, some other fun things. Alright, let's get started with this. Alright, when you started off with this hand, don't do what I did, because I did kind of mess up on this, because I added too many details too quick. So like with the thumb, I went in way too quick. I think I should have took a step back and probably slowed myself down so I could do a little bit better, because then I have to go back and change what I did. So I just took a little bit extra time that I could have saved. Also, when you're doing the fingers, I'm not sure how big you want to do yours, but I think I did mine a little bit too big. This first finger right there, but this finger, these two fingers I'm doing right now, these were kind of easy, kind of fun. I like doing these two. Pretty easy, nothing too hard. That part was actually fun. Might do that again. Also, when you're doing this, I suggest you actually start with a little rough sketch. So do a little stick figure, because that'll help you out, give you an outline of what you want to do. It'll help you save some time, and basically you probably might finish it faster than I did. Right there at that part I had to change up the thumb a little bit, because I went into too many details and that part was supposed to be a little bit bigger. So basically try to do an outline before you go in. That'll save you some time and it'll probably help you out. And right there I'm just doing the fingernails, nothing else much to do with this hand right there. So let's talk about the movies I am going to see. Also, the new Venom trailer. If you haven't seen it, go watch it, man. Because if you didn't see the full Venom that was shown in that trailer, it was pretty good. I like the effects. I'm pretty sure I know how this movie is gonna end, because I think they've added the end credit scene in the trailer, but I'm not sure. I think so. We'll see how it plays out. I'm gonna see that movie in IMAX though, because that is gonna be pretty fun. Going to see that in the biggest screen possible. I like having the best quality. Alright, let's get into the second hand real quick. On this hand, I did do an outline. I did add a rough little stick figure rough sketch. So that actually helped me save a little bit of time. So that helped me out. So you should probably do that. Didn't do it the first time though. Drawing these hands. The fingers. The fingers. My fingers are actually a little bit messed up. I need to work on doing my fingers a bit more. But it was my first time, so man, when you do it once, you gotta actually do it multiple times to improve. So I already know that this isn't gonna be like super good. So don't expect a professional hand tutorial. I'm just what am I? Probably amateur artist. Not like a high rank. It depends on what type of art you're talking about. I don't do a lot of realistic art, so I do a lot of anime art instead. I might get into realistic art, but not at this current point in time. Now, let me get back on track. I didn't do a lot. I basically did the same thing over here. I actually made the same mistake. I went into too much detail too quick. I tried to add detail too quick with the thumb. I didn't really like the thumb. I think the way I did was a little bit off. I'm gonna try to improve next time I do that, because you gotta do it multiple times if you want to improve. And I think now I'm just adding a little bit of the fingernails. So basically that's it for now. If you're going to see the new Venom movie, we could talk about that, man, because that is gonna be a good movie. I hope it is. If it's bad, well, that's tough. I'll wait for the next movie. But basically, enjoy the background music and let's go.